Hi gang, today I want to talk about prospecting for sale by owners. In the real estate industry, we've been taught the wrong way to do it. By the way, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent, Coaching and Training, and we teach you the right way to do it. But when I would call for sale by owners, I noticed that they try to blow you off in about the first 2 seconds. So you want to keep them on the phone and just not get blown off right away. And the way to do that is to say, hi, my name is Bob Loeffler. I'm a real estate agent with a company called Fearless Agent, and I'm calling because my records indicate that your house is for sale by owner. Is that true? Now that's a complicated enough question that they have to think, yeah, that is true. And then just ask them a couple of questions about their house that would not normally be advertised in their ad or anything like that. So does your house have, by any chance, both a separate family room and a living room? Or would you say your backyard is maybe a little larger than normal? Don't ask too many questions because that can hurt you. And then when they say yes, say, hey, it occurred to me that you're trying to sell your house by not having it on the market with a real estate professional. Is that because you hate realtors? Now, probably for the first time, they've heard that their house is not on the market. We realtors are very bad about this. We say things like, how long have you been selling your house, Mr. FSBO? Isn't the better question, how long has your house been sitting there not selling, Mr. FSBO? Or we'll say, how long have you had your house on the market? Well, their house isn't on the market. What is the market? It has 3 letters. It's called MLS, right? So we got to get our story straight. So when we talk to a for sale by owner, say, you know, you're trying to sell your house by not having it on the market with a real estate professional. Is that because you hate realtors? And they're probably going to say, no, I don't hate realtors. I don't want to pay a commission. And that's exactly what I want them to say. And then you have to act like you could not believe that was their answer. You go, really? It's about money? And they're going to go, yeah, it's about money. And they say, well, let me ask you this. If you knew absolutely for certain that by doing business with me, that 2 things would happen. One is that your house would actually sell. And number 2 is that you'd end up with way, way more money, bottom line, than you could get any other way, with or without an agent. And I know that's a big promise, but if you knew that, would you at least want to hear about it? I mean, be honest. More often than not, if you get your question, both of those questions answered, they're going to book an appointment with you. They say, yes, I want to hear about it. Say, great. Can I explain step by step exactly how I do that? Yes. Okay, well, step number 1 is I like to meet with you, and I like to meet with people in the afternoons or the evenings. Do you guys have 9 to 5 jobs? Yes. Well, I've got 7 o'clock p.m. available next Thursday, or the following Monday be better. If any of this helps, by the way, all Fearless Agents are able to deliver on that promise. The value proposition of the Fearless Agent, we teach you how to deliver on that so that they do end up selling their house for more than it's worth, more than they could get any other way. And if you have any questions about how we do that, you can call me anytime. Please go to our website at fearlessagent.com. Watch every video. That is better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in the industry for. Call me anytime because we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.